Welcome to my in-depth review of 3Commas, the crypto trading bot that claims to automate and enhance trading strategies for both beginners and advanced traders. I'll walk you through the platform's features, usability, and performance to determine whether it's a worthwhile tool for crypto enthusiasts. Starting with the homepage, the interface appears sleek and professional, offering quick access to key sections such as Smart Trade, Bots, Marketplace, and Portfolio. Signing up is straightforward, requiring only an email and password. Once logged in, the dashboard provides an overview of your connected exchanges, bot activity, and trading performance. One of the main selling points of 3Commas is its Smart Trade feature, which allows traders to execute trades with stop loss and take profit conditions in a more flexible manner than many standard exchange interfaces. This tool is particularly useful for those who want more control over risk management and trade execution. Moving on to the trading bots, 3Commas offers several automated strategies, including grid bots, DCA, dollar cost averaging, bots, and options bots. The DCA bot is one of the most popular, as it helps traders automate their trades by gradually buying into positions over time to minimize risk. Setting up a bot is relatively simple. Users select an exchange, choose a trading pair, and customize settings such as trade size, take profit percentage, and stop loss levels. Many users appreciate the marketplace feature, where traders can subscribe to pre-configured bots created by experienced traders. This is particularly beneficial for beginners, who may not have the knowledge to configure bots from scratch. However, it's important to note that past performance of a bot does not guarantee future success, and users should conduct their own research before subscribing. The Portfolio section is another valuable feature, providing an overview of assets across multiple connected exchanges. Users can track their holdings, trade history, and performance metrics, helping them make more informed decisions. One aspect that stands out is the ability to connect 3Commas to major crypto exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, and KuCoin using API keys. This integration ensures seamless trading without needing to log into multiple platforms. Security is a priority, and 3Commas does not have direct access to withdraw funds, which provides some level of protection. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. 3Commas offers different pricing plans, including a free version with limited features and paid plans that unlock additional tools such as futures trading bots and more advanced automation options. The pricing can be a drawback for some users, as the Pro plan is relatively expensive. However, those who actively trade and optimize their bots may find it worthwhile. The customer support experience is mixed, with a live chat feature available, but response times varying. The platform also has a knowledge base and an active Telegram community where users can seek help and share strategies. In terms of drawbacks, while 3Commas provides powerful automation tools, the effectiveness of the bots depends heavily on market conditions and user configuration. Improper settings or volatile market conditions can lead to losses, so it's not a guaranteed money-making solution. Additionally, API-based trading carries inherent risks, including potential security vulnerabilities if API keys are not properly managed. Overall, 3Commas is a solid choice for traders looking to automate their strategies and manage multiple exchanges in one place. The platform offers a range of tools that can be beneficial for both beginners and experienced traders, but success depends on careful strategy implementation. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto trading insights and honest reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used 3Commas and what your experience has been.